Hello everybody, welcome back to CDAcomputer.tips. My name is Christopher Duncan and I'm your instructor today. In today's tip I'm going to show you two different ways to create a style sheet. Now to begin with, we're going to create a style from scratch. As you can see here in my conference plan, I've got three meeting names: training session for audit professionals, welcome and orientation breakfast meeting, and this is transportation in Florida. I want to create a style sheet so that they're all going to look the same. To start off with, I'm just going to select one of those sets of information. Then I'll come up here to the Styles group, click on the More button, and click on Create a Style. I'm going to give this style a name, and I'm going to call it Meetings, and I'll click on Modify. Here in the Create New Style from Formatting dialog box, I'm going to make a couple of simple changes. I'll go ahead and change the font to Arial, and then I'm going to change the font size to 14. And I'm going to change the color to Blue Accent 5. Now, you can change a lot of other things besides just these basics. If I come down here to the lower left-hand corner, I can click on the Format button, and then come up and click on Paragraph. Here in the Paragraph group, I can change the spacing. So for example, I'm going to change the spacing to space above 24 point. And I'm going to take off the spacing after. And then I'll click on OK. I can also click on the Format button and click on Border. And now I can actually add a line that goes all the way across. So I'm going to change the color to also be Blue Accent 5. I'll change the width to be 1 point. And then I'm going to click on the bottom border button here in the preview. I'll click on OK. And let's make it bold too. So I'll click on the bold button. And now I'm going to click on OK. As you can see, I've changed what this group of text looks like. But more importantly, I've also added the meetings style here to my style menu. Now I can just come down and click on the Welcome and Orientation Breakfast meeting, and then click on Meetings. Because it's a paragraph style, I don't even have to select the text anymore. I just clicked on the paragraph. I can do the same thing here for This is Transportation in Florida. And now all of a sudden I've got some nice information that's well laid out, and I can change things on the fly just by changing my meeting style. So the second way I want to show you how to create a style is when you've already got some text formatted the way you want it. Here beneath the name of the meeting, I've got the location of the meeting and the time. So I'm just going to select this, and I'll go right back up here to that More button and click on Create a Style again. And I'm going to call this one Locations. Now, because I've already defined what I want the text to look like, I don't have to click on Modify. I can just click on OK. And now when I come down and click on the location information for the second meeting, I'll just click on Locations here in the Style menu. And I'll do the same thing for the third meeting. So as you can see, adding styles to your toolbox makes it really easy to lay out what a document looks like very quickly. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks.